I got this yesterday when I went to the grocery store. See that little guy? Oh, it hurts. First thing you want to do is you want to wash your hands. Okay. By the way, it does burn a little bit with the soap and water. I'm not gonna lie. But you do want to wash it out with soap and water because you want that wound to be clean. No dirty wounds around here. Next thing you don't do is you do not put rubbing alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, or any other thing that's caustic on this. It's going to delay wound healing and potentially damage the tissue. All right, after washing with soap and water, okay, now this is what we look like. We're going to use a little Vaseline, petroleum jelly. Ciao, petroleum jelly is good for so many things. Let's put this on here just like this. Yep, there we go. Oh, it's already soothing, right? And you might be saying, well, why not Neosporin? No shade to Neosporin, however, this is not infected. Okay, I don't need an antibiotic ointment, okay? Next thing is that Neosporin actually, in a decent number of people, can actually cause skin irritation, inflammation, or skin reaction. There's a number of people that are actually allergic to the ingredients in Neosporin. I'm just gonna put the rest in this hair because Vaseline is amazing. All right, next, what do? Super Simp. Get our Band-Aid. These ones I just started trying. I like them because like they mold to the skin. Love, love, love. All right, let's put this bad boy on. All right, I'm gonna try to put it on so you can see me put it on. All right, okay, bear with me. Ah, wait, is it on? Okay, I think we got it. Much harder when you're trying to put on a Band-Aid and demonstrate it at the same time. Okay, see, look, isn't that neat how it kind of wraps around there? Love that. And obviously, y'all, this is taking a lot longer than it would if I were just doing it myself. There you go. And then every single day, make sure I take the Band-Aid off. Or if like it gets wet or whatever, I'll take it off, wash my hands, put some more Vaseline on it, put a Band-Aid on it until it starts to heal, okay? So this is how you want to deal with superficial wounds. Anything that's deep, you need to see your doctor for. Anything that's large, you got to see your doctor for. Dog bites, cat bites, you need to see your doctor for that. If there's like, if there's debris in it or whatever, you can't get the debris out, see your doctor. Like if it's anything but like a simple wound, see your doctor. But if it's a simple wound, this should do you right.